Yeah.
Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. If you would like to see how to create this melting slime skull look, then just keep watching. Alrighty, so first things first, I'm going to pop in some Scelera Lenses from Pinky Paradise. If you guys would like a coupon code, check the description bar down below to save you guys money. So these lenses are super uncomfortable to wear. They limit what you can see, which sucks a lot, but my eyes water like crazy, so I have to put them on before I do my makeup or I mess up my makeup. So after that, I'm then going in with the Elmer's Child Safe Non-Toxic Glue Stick, and I'm just gluing down my eyebrows so that they don't show. Next, I'm taking a light pink Mehron body paint from the Paradise AQ Palette, and I'm creating the nose shape for the skull, and then I'm going in and I'm creating circles around the eye socket for the skull as well. Once I have that all done, I'm creating the other eye as well, and now it's time to move on to the drippy teeth area. So I'm just creating little drips all along the jawline, the top jawline, to make it look like teeth dripping down. So a photo that I'm looking at is the Snow White Poison Apple. That is the photo that I went off of for that creepy dripping skull look. Making sure to do right above my top lip, very short drips so that I don't get the weird look of it going over my lips, so it just looks like it's hovering on my skin. Then continuing across the jaw or across the face, the same drips. The one I'm creating here is a very thin on one side, big on the other drip to make it look creepy and realistic. I don't know, I like it. Yeah. Now it's time to fill in the face with the light pink Mehron paint and just continuing that all over my face until it is covered from the drips to my forehead or hairline. Once I have that all covered and looking good, fixing up any little areas that need it, I'm then going to go in with my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in 04. And I'm going to use the brightest pink on the top row, and I'm taking a very thin brush and creating extra drips on the skull slime thing. Yeah, I'm just creating extra drips to give more dimension to it. And then I'm taking the exact same bright pink eyeshadow and I'm outlining the drips all around, making sure to take it all across the face, giving a nice thick line around the drips because we're going to be blending that out. So taking some extra shadow and blending upward to give it that 3D bumped sitting on skin look. Making sure to also get around the nose and blend that out as well. Now for the eyes, I am just putting it on the bottom part of the eye socket, and then I'm blending it out the same way I did around the face. For the top part, I'm taking black eyeshadow, and then I'm going over that with the NYX That's the Point eyeliner, because it's very, very fine tip, and I need that fine tip to give that really sharp line around the eyes. Also doing some black eyeshadow on the nose, and now it's time to give some more dimension to the mouth. So I'm just creating little shadow areas on the top of the drips and around the side slash bottom. You don't want the drips to connect with the black eyeshadow because then you're just outlining it. Keeping space between the black eyeshadow allows it to look more realistic and actually sitting on the skin. Just doing the same thing to the drips on the face, and now it's time for some glossy shine highlight look with white body paint from Mehron Paradise AQ Palette. And I'm doing that to the drips and around the eyes. in little semicircles, kind of bringing it upwards on the drip as well. Well, time for a drink. Oh yeah, stay hydrated. Now it's time to put on the wig. The one that inspired this look and I created this look for is from Lushwigs, and her name is Cutie Pie. You can find a direct link to her in the description bar down below. And that is the complete look. Awesome. Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I do encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Now this look is actually just a glam slime skull look. This look is inspired by the Snow White poison apple. I saw it online, like I was looking up like slime skulls or melting skulls, and the apple from Snow White came up, so I was like, bam, I'm totally doing that. So I did, but this is a pink version of it because I got this gorgeous wig and I needed to create a look for it. So I wanted to do this Halloween melting slime skull for this gorgeous wig. Most of my wigs are Lushwigs, this included. So if you guys would like to find this wig or purchase it, go in the description bar down below for a direct link, as well as there's tons of coupon codes there for you guys if you guys want to save money. I love saving money, so I'm sure you like saving money as well. So go in the description bar down below for links to contact lenses, teeth whitening kits, hair supplies, like everything you can think of down below. Now, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more of moi, as well as comment down below what you think about this look. I think it's kind of cool. It's neat, you know? Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye.